Good morning. Today is test day for Unit 7 for Miss Baunet's class. I just wanted to walk you through and how to find some helpful information. So, as of right this morning, Miss Baunet doesn't have an update on the assessment, but you do have an assessment that starts today. The test is going to be broken up in over 2 days. So if you go to Miss Baunet's class under Digital Learning folder, scroll all the way down, in the very last folder, the final Unit 7 assessment on scientific notation. Let's open that up. So you can see there's two parts of the assessment. The first one is target 8EE3. I can convert and compare values using scientific notation. And the last target, I can perform calculations with numbers and scientific notation. So some helpful information that'll help with you would be what she's provided you, this operations and scientific notation poster. So if you click on this, it's going to bring you up this poster. This will help you more for the second half of the test. Okay, this tells you the steps how to add in scientific notation, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide. That'll be very helpful. And so I want to go back. That will be helpful. So in one other place that I want to show you, so I want to go back to Digital Learning folder. And we go down to this mid-Unit 7 assessment. This is, we already took this assessment. You open this up, and then there's this exponent rules poster. This would be helpful as well. So I encourage you to have this tab open, and just tells you what to do when multiplying powers. So you add your exponents. When you keep the base, add the exponents. You're taking powers to powers, so you're going to multiply your exponents. When you're dividing powers, keep the base and subtract your exponents. When there is an exponent of 0, so anything to the 0 power equals 1. Negative exponents just becomes the, you're going to flip it, the reciprocal. And then combining your bases on this one. So when you have an example of two bases that are different, but you have the same exponent, in this case we're going to multiply. 7 times 2 is 14, and we keep our exponent. If we have, and that's that example. So I encourage you to keep this one. It'll be helpful. If it helps to look back at the reviews I sent you. So if you go to our academic assist as well, so if you can click on any of the academic support class, and under materials, go to Digital Learning Math Baugnet. Then Unit 7, exponents. So if you want to review the first half of the test, that would be a good one. But each one of these are all the videos of all the lessons you've completed so far. And here's the view and comparing numbers. So everything's there for you to take a look at and use. One more I'd like you to use. If you don't have a calculator at home, you can use Desmos Scientific. So Google Desmos Scientific. You can click on this. And all the information or all the buttons that you possibly need are available on this calculator. The fraction button. This minus sign also is a negative sign. This A to B power, this is the exponent button. And if you ever need parentheses, they're there as well. That pretty much has all the tools that you possibly would need on this. So let us know if you have specific questions, and good luck today.